Friends, just wanted to share my little joy with you. You're looking at a table, a little garden table that was personally made for me. My daughter and her family, they know how much I love my gardening. Well, everybody around me knows how much I love my gardening. But this table was made, most of the work was done by my granddaughters, but of course my daughter and her husband chipped in too. You're looking at the shape of a monstera leaf. They carved this out of wood and painted it, right? Cool, isn't it? Monstera plant. And the stand that you're looking at is an old lamp that they converted and put this thing on there, this piece of wood shaped like a monstera. And look at my fancy light that they strung up here. And I can turn on and off. Oops. Of course, this thing back here, yeah. So I can turn it off when I'm ready, turn it on. You should see it at night, it's so pretty. And of course I can stick it on there. Ain't it cool? My beautiful plant stand. I was so excited when I saw it, and then especially the fact that it was personally made, and it's the perfect home for my spider plant because it just hangs off. It just hangs off just like that, hangs off the edges. The perfect home for my spider plant. I might have snapped two of them here, but isn't it cool? My table that was personally made just for me, carved out, painted, my plant stand. And I have one more joy to share with you that they made for me. So let's go over here. And this is a pot, regular terracotta pot that they found and painted it. My name is painted on there. Nice letters. I like that font, by the way, whatever that font is. And look at the detail. Look at the flowers. They painted it. I mean, I was so... Look at this. Look at this. Isn't it nice? A lovely pot. It could be for an orchid. It could be for anything that I so desire. It's just... And the fact that they sat there and did this just for me made it even better. Look at this. Look at the detail in this thing. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love the color of the flowers, the details. Man, it doesn't get any better than this. But yeah, this was done for me by my granddaughters with the help of their parents. But they did the most of it, especially Sage. Marley did the writing and some of the painting. But yeah, I get personal items made by my granddaughters and my daughter and her family. And here we go. It's a lovely home for this. Ain't it cute? Yep. Yeah, I got bragging rights. Just wanted to show off and show you guys my thing. All right.